Pepe. Bemen winyam fo gina wanim. Yede yem Pepefoc. Na mope hefo. Hefo na mope. Pepe ni. Unya. Historically, certain tribes had to go and marry from another tribe to have certain stature and certain form and structure of people. Tells me that everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody. Now let me bring it to the main message and the core message and push it this way. This is not the time for pettiness, like petty party, political, vindictive nonsense. We don't need it. Or your MPP, or your MPP in TDA, or rights or join MPP, or rights or share MPP atadia, or right to that, or your NDC, or rights or your NDC. It does not stop us from relating as brothers and friends. It's just a political party which is here now and it will be gone tomorrow. Because CPP, they will not even have an assemblyman. You will not believe. They are out of all the seats in parliament. There is no CPP there. MPP ebetwamo ena NDC nso betwamo. Look at the way the world is going. As this generation, your child's generation, very soon they will not be ready for this nonsense we have. MPP this, MPP that. Yeah, mano, they don't care. I'm telling you, they don't care. This is why you are seeing about to okrano dynamics, the demography is changing. First, you know, touch light, T-shirt near to about and more near to about now. The demography have changed. First, you know, we President Fatano. Now it's not like that. At the end, so they are not looking at Pepe spirit. Yeah, they are looking at performance, leadership. If politicians are looking at, look at even the Ghana Bar Association, look at even, the judicial system of Ghana. Yes, you will be a lawyer. They are looking for character. They are looking for certain demeanor. They are looking for a caliber of heart and intention. Be ansana with me a lawyer for no character.